Past papers are valuable study maps, but ordinary extraction can lose question order, marks, tables, and source context. PredixaLearn turns difficult papers into evidence you can trust. On Convert, I select the local exam paper workflow and run the judge demo. It is an original synthetic civil engineering paper created to demonstrate a reproducible workflow. OCR, reconstruction, and export preparation stay on this computer. Instead of returning disconnected text, PredixaLearn preserves a question sequence, marks, warning signals, and source-linked evidence for teacher review. In Analyze, the reconstruction becomes past paper intelligence. Each question stays connected to its source page, OCR, confidence, marks, and structure. This helps students inspect complex material and turn it into focused study notes. Review keeps source evidence alongside the effective reconstruction. Confidence overlays make uncertainty visible. Corrections are auditable overlays, never silent changes to the raw OCR record. GPT 5.6 support is optional. PredixaLearn asks for explicit consent before analysis. Suggestions are source-linked and teacher-reviewable. The app does not predict exact future exam questions. This release supports English documents. OCR and document export stay local by default, while GPT analysis remains optional. For teachers, the workspace adds curriculum and syllabus tools, local topic taxonomies, batch workflows, and reusable evidence reports. It supports an organized process for comparing outputs, preparing materials, and checking them before use. Codex helped refine the workflow and user experience with changes reviewed before release. PredixaLearn turns paper scans into trustworthy educational data.